Do you have a car? If yes, click the subscribe button now. Believe us, sooner or later you will need our help. We bet that you had to replace a burnt out headlight bulb at least one time in the past. Don't go to an expensive dealer for a simple bulb replacement. Subscribe to this channel and save time and money. Here you will find the best in the world information about halogen, xenon, and LED headlights. Based on more than 20 years experience, we will also show you how to troubleshoot and repair your headlights. Subscribe. Camera, action, lights.
Hi guys! In this short video, I will show you all replaceable parts of Mini Cooper R50, R52, R53 Cabrio headlights. This is a halogen type headlight, it's not a xenon type. It's one of the most common headlights because xenon headlights are expensive factory built headlights. So if you have a facelift halogen type headlight, you have to watch this video in order to see which parts you have. And eventually, if one of them is missing or if you have a burnout bulb, you can source them easily. As stated, this is a halogen type headlight. Your low beam is located behind this almost square cap. Your low beam bulb is halogen type H7 bulb. It's one of the most common bulbs. You can find it in every gas station. In case of you have a bulb failure, it's very easy to replace. Let me show you the back cover. The original one is IL made, automotive lighting. The number you should Google is 1305 239 264. If you Google it, you can find it easily. Your high beam is located behind this round cap. It's again H7, so very easy to find. Your part number for the round cap is 1305 219 090. If you Google it, you can find it easily. And maybe you know, these headlights at Mini Cooper R50, R52 and R53 convertible models are located at the bonnet itself. So it's very easy to replace them. You just have to lift your bonnet, remove the back covers, and very simple operations. You have to do very simple operation. You just have to pull it out. There are 3 clips holding the H7 bulb, and you just have to put the replacement bulb carefully, observing the upper notch. That's all for the Mini Cooper R50, R52 and R53 halogen headlight. I hope it helps. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.